Okay, I got my Pinch Me box. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is first time opening this, and I'm opening it with you in this world premiere video. All right. PinchMe.com. All right, so let's see which way to open it. Looks like this way. All right, let's see what it is. Oh my goodness, all kinds of goodies. So first I see this big old thing. So this is from Boiron. Okay, so heartburn relief. We got this little spatula. Let's see what's in here. So you can sign up at the link below to get your free Pinch Me box full of all kinds of goodies. So I'm going to open this later because it's taking forever to open. Oh, well, let's keep trying. There we go. Okay, here we go. So, get that spatula to cook with. Out away tabs. Okay, that's kind of neat. And then this looks like an apron, I think. Yeah, it's a little... Oh, look. There we go. Yeah, see, here's strap on this side. Oh, you know what? This looks like you could tie it around your waist. There you go. See, yeah. Tie it around your waist with these things. Okay, that's kind of neat. You got little pockets to put stuff in while you're cooking. All right, next we got this Flex and Seal quart storage zipper bags. Okay, that'll come in handy. Blistex. I absolutely need this every day, and it has SPF 15. Yay! Nexcare Max Hold Waterproof. Okay, definitely can use these around the house for some lumps and bumps, scratches and scrapes. Essie nail polish. Okay, that's a really nice color. Put on there. Okay. Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel by Dr. Dennis Gross. Wow, it's so far we're seeing a whole mixture of different types of samples that we're getting in here. This one is Biosteel Sports Hydration Mix, blue raspberry flavor. Okay, definitely can dig that. Scentiva Disinfecting Wet Mopping Cloths, Pacific Breeze and Coconut, bleach free. Okay, that's kind of neat. So you get one of those to try out. Yardley London English Lavender Bath Bar. Wow. Even from here I can smell the lavender. It smells amazing. Glad ForceFlex Plus with Febreze freshness. Okay, nice. Garbage bag there. And then we have this 8 greens. 1 effervescent tablet. Okay, that's kind of neat. Get your daily greens. Okay, neat. This is Compeed for blisters on the back of your heels, which is great because sometimes you might have some shoes that scrape or scratch your heel, and this is good for that. Okay. Yardley LondonEarth Spring Body Wash, and so we have English Lavender and Oatmeal Almond scents. So I'm excited to use those. Ultra Clean Clorox Disinfecting Wipes. Coconut Oil Body Lotion. All right, definitely loving that so far. So then we got some more of these Biosteel flavors. So this one is Peach Mango, and then the red one is Mixed Berry. Okay, wow, look at all that. So we got 1, 2, 3 of these. We got that. It's like a ton of stuff. Look at all that. All of that. Definitely stuff I will use in real life. All of this was free. Oh my gosh. So yeah, definitely you got to get in on this. So make sure you sign up at the link below to get your free Pinch Me box.